Hey kids, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate your gingerbread gift tag cookies. So you got your gift tag cutter in your kit, which is so cute, and you have your sprinkles, you have your red and your green colors, and then what it makes is this delicious gingerbread cookie. Don't forget that gingerbread spice blend packet. So you just pour that in instead of using a bunch of other spices. I've got them all in there for you. And you're going to make these amazing, delicious cookies that look like gift tags. Actually, they are gift tags. As you can see, I tied a little ribbon here. You can use these as gift tags on your presents, or you can actually just make a platter of amazing gift tag cookies that will just surprise your friends. The most important part is I want you to have fun decorating. So let me show you how, and let's get started. To decorate our gift tags, the first thing you want to do is you want to make your icing bags, and I am using white, red, and green, but you don't have to. I'm going to show you quite a few designs so you can make whatever colors you want, and then you want to use your snowflake sprinkles for some of the designs as well. Once those are ready, then you could get started decorating your gift tags. So the first cookie I want to show you is just using a stitch pattern. So what you're going to do is just very carefully push out, then stop, push out, stop. And you're just going to do that all the way around the cookie. Now that you're done, you can actually say who it's for. So I'm going to make this one go to my mom. So I'm just going to make an M, O, and then another M. Okay? And that one's pretty simple, right? Let's go to the next one. The next one I'm going to do is actually a Christmas tree. So I'm going to make a line, and then each time you come down, you're going to go a little bit longer with the lines. So see how it's getting a little bit longer each time. There you go. And you're going to let that dry. You want to make sure that dries. Now I can actually do maybe a monogram and put a letter. So I'm going to use the letter A. For someone with the name A. And then what I'm going to do is just make little dots around the edges. The next cookie I'm making is actually going to be a little gingerbread house. So I'm going to turn it a little bit so it's more rectangle, and then I'm going to do the roof first. You're just making these U's. So that's the top of the house. Now we're going to make a red door. I'm just making lines down. Like that. And then I'm going to make a little window on either side. I'm going to make a little dot in the middle because I'm going to put a little snowflake there. And then just a little dot there for the handle. Then using tweezers or your hands, go ahead and put your little snowflake in there. Looks a cute little gingerbread house. The next one, I'm going to make a big snowflake. So I'm going to make a big line down here and a big line across. So it looks like a plus sign. Then I'm going to make another line across and another line across. And then you can actually put some little details at the end. I'm going to take some little snowflakes, and put them on the ends. I'm going to do a little 3. I'm just going to make little dots here. Using green, I'm going to do a swirl. You can use any color actually. Just do some swirls. Okay, and then I'm going to write the word joy. That's a real simple one. One of my favorite things about Christmas is holly. So I'm going to make a little holly leaf, which is just basically swirls like this, and then go do the same thing on the other. Now we're going to let this dry a little bit, and then we're going to add the holly berries. Then when it's dry a little bit, you're going to add 3 little holly berries. There you go.